Guys, today we are going to talk about 5 reasons why you should work out. We all know working out, it's healthy, it's good, it's a lot of things that is positive when it comes to working out for your health and for your confidence. All right, we're going to give you 5 reasons why you should work out. We are starting right now. We are starting with number 1. Working out reduces body fat. Your BMI or body mass index provides an approximate measure of your overall metabolic status. If you are overweight or obese, a regular program of aerobic exercise can bring your BMI down to normal levels, mainly by swapping the fat for the fat-free tissues in your body. The good news is that the more you exercise, the more you are able to work off your body fat because muscles burn off more calories, effectively speeding up your metabolism. Number 2, working out also boosts your energy. Because your body is functioning more efficiently, you have more oxygen to fuel your body cells. You also feel fewer pains and have greater strength. As a result, you can go about your daily activities feeling less fatigued, stressed, and weary. It may seem counterintuitive. After all, working out can drain your energy quite a bit. But regular exercise can actually make you feel more energized throughout the day because you'll feel more mentally and physically capable of carrying them out. Here is the thing, the number 3, you will not believe it. Of course, if you work out, it will improve your sex life. It will improve your libido. Keeping your muscles active helps promote the demands placed on your endocrine glands to produce more hormones. Yes, studies have indeed shown that regular exercise can increase arousal and decrease men's risk for erectile dysfunction, likely because exercise improves circulation, which is important when it comes to sex. Number 4, it will improve your memory. Ever feel like you think a bit more clearly after a good workout? Yes, I do sometimes. All right, here is what we already know. Working out is necessary to preserve muscle strength. Keep your heart strong. Maintain a healthy body weight. But now we do know your brain is getting more energy and oxygen. For many studies have shown that exercise can boost your memory and help you learn better. The number 5, I believe it hits home pretty close. Me personally, I've been bullied when I was a little boy. I was skinny. I used to look miserable. My face all scraggy, and I was poor, and I've been bullied. Now, I had no confidence. Of course, when you are in this situation, your self-esteem is just below 0. Now, we know workout also boosts your confidence. Obviously, exercise can improve your appearance, which can improve your confidence, but there is more to it than that. Exercise can also help you feel more accomplished and social. Working out and seeing your body change definitely will help change your attitude towards yourself and even in life. When you start feeling good about what you have accomplished, your world perception changes. When you start looking and feeling better, your whole attitude changes for the better. Exercise is great. Exercise is a good way to increase your confidence. It not only helps your posture, muscle definition, cardiovascular system, sex life, brain power and strength, it will also put you in the sexy zone. How can you not feel confident and ready for the world? If you like the video, please remember to subscribe. Give it a like to this video. We have some link that we put on the description. Those links are for some product if you would like to know more about some green tea, about some other stuff that you would like to use during your fat weight loss program or process, you can go ahead and buy some of them. Those links are on in the description below. I'll talk to you very soon. Take care. Peace.